How do I know when you're talking to me or I'm just talking to myself?
As an atheist, you can be sure that you'll always be talking to yourself. This is because atheism is rooted in rebellion against God, and because of that, you can be sure He'll resist you. If you do start hearing voices, seek professional help. Mental health facilities are filled with people who hear voices. The way God normally speaks to us is through the Bible. It reveals His will, what He requires of us as individuals, and it tells us how to find everlasting life, that is, if we're interested. Evidently, atheists are not, and tragically, they'll have eternity to regret having closed minds. Perhaps today they will humble themselves and search His Word. I hope so.